outstretched. Heather Knight? Oh, good stuff, yeah. Is that Sophia? She's so good. She's so good. That on drive is beautiful. That's awesome.
Hey guys, Radha here. Welcome back to She Talks Ball. If this is your first time here, thank you for joining us. She Talks Ball is a small platform that covers women in sports, and it solely runs on your support, your views. There's nothing else coming out of this channel, so if you're here and you'd like to contribute your time and effort to this channel, it'd be great if you could subscribe and like this video. It'll boost the video, it'll boost the channel, and boost my confidence to make such videos. So without further ado, if you've done that, thank you so much. If you've not, that's alright. This content is still for you. I'm going to be reacting to the third ODI between England and India. This is the highlight package. I actually missed most of this match due to some prior commitments, and I've refrained from watching the highlights. I'm going to watch it for the first time today and give you guys a blind reaction. Obviously, I know the result. India won. Fantastic, because the series is now 6-4. Opens up the T20 series, opens it wide up. Everything to play for there. So without rambling on, I could keep on talking about this. Let's get into the highlights and we'll chat along the way. Let's go.
That's got him really close.
Oh,
That's out.
That's awesome.
getting Tammy early is huge.
He started there aggressive.
Fierce energy there.
First runs up the bat.
Heather Knight?
Take a ball maybe, take a couple of balls, what the hell?
Up and over the top. Kill it at best.
They're playing good shots. Nothing less expected from England.
Dancing against a finish.
Tanya, what a grab, what a grab. She's so good.
Yeah, we're going to have a look upstairs.
And it's hard to watch the ball when it's like going past the batter, but she somehow done that. Not out, but it's still okay. It's still a confidence booster. Come on, not again, not again. That's a lovely shot. That's a really good shot. That's some shot that, I love watching. It could be against India, but
That on drive is beautiful.
wickets, come on. No. So although India got an early wicket, clearly England built back pretty quickly.
The reverse sweep, header nine.
Whoa!
Field goes in that direction, in the air, and
Hey! Shikha Pandey in amongst the action.
get the wicket of Winfield.
Down the throat of mid-wicket. Love it.
Decides to go up and over and does it to perfection. One bounce.
I've said it before, I'll say it again. Nat Siver.
Supremacy.
Nice.
She's so good. She's so good.
It's gonna take something to get her out. She's just so great.
Burma. Misfielding.
That seemed a bit lethargic, honestly. From the run, it looked a bit lazy.
Surely that's out.
Ball. And Sneaker.
Shikha Pandey, our ever reliable soldier out there, just patrolling the boundary. Oh, good stuff, yeah.
Finds the gap.
Okay, but Nat Siver is just so good. Like,
Great placement off the bat.
it's incredible.
She's so awesome.
Love it.
It's a superb square drive.
One thing to note is England might be losing wickets, but their run rate never dips. And that's a sign of a team that's prepared well.
Takes on long on. And doesn't win the battle.
Yay! Radha, my namesake. Oh, got it on here. She got it.
Batting it down the
Yes.
line eventually.
I love that I can wear a jersey with my name on it, but it's also like Radha Yadav's name. Pretty cool. Catch that.
Chance in the deep.
Yes, Smriti! Oh my god, I haven't watched it before. I read about this catch on Twitter. I've seen like a few grabs, screen grabs.
Oh my god, that was excellent. Full length, outstretched.
Oh! Bamboozled. That was lovely. And Tanya like spot on, grabbing it, smashing the stumps. What a goodly. Oh, I could play that on repeat for a while.
I don't think making the run can't be bit off chance. Direct hit.
Yes.
We've been wondering how to get Dunkley out. If it takes a run out from the Indian captain, I would take that any day. Not out. Not out.
Damn.
That's out. It's a confused review.
You're on screen now.
Deepti Sharma gets a third.
Sometimes I can't take serious Deepti seriously. I know she's serious and everything, but like, look, there she is.
Oh, that.
Hit her glove and came back. Oh, that sucks. That sucks.
Oh, one up that striker's end. There's there.
Deepti!
Again in the game. Every chance.
I love that. I love that fire and aggression and the presence of mind to smash. Oh,
God.
Kate Cross.
All the way for 6.
A rare performance by England, I think. They're usually putting up 250-ish, which tells you that India did pretty well. Let's see how India chase it.
That's well struck. And the middle.
Just flies off her back somehow.
Well picked up. Really well
That's
picked
beautiful.
up.
The sound and the visuals of that entire thing, just
Miss out.
immaculate. That's a new word for you. Oh, that's
Squeeze through. Done tonight.
kind of pulled her hand back from the handle.
Oh, again, miss struck. Very well.
Is that Sophia?
She's insane. Sophia Dunkley is so good.
Shot.
That's exquisite, yeah. I just want to watch this live someday. Smriti in a run chase is something different.
The result is the same.
She knows how to steer a run chase. So good.
So it's that. Straight in the air. And gone. Over the top, just. Beautiful. Amanda in response, found the gap.
Doesn't matter because she's chopped on the very next ball.
Why try that?
Gone.
Maxima!
Maxima!
Beautifully, it just turned. Deepti Sharma turned the
I think Deepti got Nat and then Nat got Deepti back.
in the hands of Siva.
That was the easiest cotton gold on the planet.
Shot. Pulled
Good
away.
shot, good shot.
Mitali Raj.
3 chasing it. At this stage, need 50 runs of 40 balls. I started watching. Sneh Rana played a really good innings. She was really good. I mean, the kind of finisher we need alongside Mitali, who's the anchor, who stays till the end. We need someone to kind of
Well, this is right. This is
increase our run and ball ratio, and she did that. 24 to 22 balls. You know, she left Mitali with 6 to get out of 7 balls. She's done her part.
Yes, Chulan.
Yes, I saw this.
Beautiful four.
So good. 75 not out. Mithali Raj, okay, let me tell you this. Mithali Raj has played all 3 of these ODIs, made 50s each of the 3 times. That's absolutely insane. And the time that she was chasing, she remained not out. She hit the winning runs. She is now the highest run scorer in women's ODIs, so already had happened, but women's cricket in general, women's international cricket across all formats. She is just a legend that deserves to be celebrated. It's amazing. If you made it till here, let me know in the comments if you think there is anybody who can, you know, in the future break her record of most international runs across all formats. I mean, the way she's done it, yeah, which is, you know, the hardship, starting in 1999, where women's cricket wasn't like even recognized to a great deal. To do this is exceptional. I think it's right up there with any of the men's records that any Indian man or Indian man has set. And yeah, with that is a quick wrap. This was a longer stretch of highlights, so the video will be longer as well. Again, right here is the subscribe button. Go ahead and click that. A couple of videos will pop up if you want to continue watching She Talks Ball content. And yeah, definitely do like this video, subscribe, share it. This is a space for all of you to share your thoughts, so please go ahead. I love reading your comments. thoughts on the T20s, thoughts on Mithali Raj. I mean, there's enough to talk about there. So go ahead, share your thoughts in the comments, and I will see you next time whenever I see you. Bye bye, stay safe and take care.